Did you know that you can save a backup of your phone contacts using your Google account? If you lose your phone, switch to a new device, or accidentally delete your contacts, you can easily restore them. So in this video, I'll show you how to upload contacts to Gmail or Google Drive. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First, open the phone app, then go to Contacts. Once you're inside, click this three dots button, then tap on Contacts Settings. Now in here, you'll see this option to export your contact. Now tap on it, then select internal storage. After that, click this export button below. And there you go, your contacts has been exported to your internal storage. Now click OK. And then you'll get also this notification, just tap on it. And that will lead you to this folder where your contacts file has been exported. So in my case, it's under the downloaded folder. Next, let's go back to the home screen and then open the Gmail app. Now compose a new email. And for the receiver, just send it to your own email. After that, attach the contact file that we have just exported. You can add a subject to that email or just leave it blank. Then send the email. It will then enter your inbox as a new email. Just open it. And that's it. You now have a backup copy of your contacts saved in your email. And you can also save the exported contact file in your Google Drive by clicking this Google Drive icon. And then click Upload. This is very useful before switching phones or resetting your device. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.